the end of it, but the sea was really close in at the time. It was winter as well, don't forget. And they were like, oh, let's go. She was right up, we started walking the water by accident. Alright, let's go. If it wasn't for the wind, it would be very pleasant time now.
Yeah. Actually, can you see the sky? It's too dark.
But do you see what I mean by how every beach is different?
Yeah.
In Mambro, you had this green grass. Here was sand. We went to Calacots.
Oh,
Hey,
the
the ruins here, yeah?
Huh?
But they are ruins.
Yeah.
Because I think that's Roman Fort, isn't it?
Huh.
You know, we went to RBR Roman Fort.